Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to fix error code 403 in Roblox. If you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix blurry screen on Android phone with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Verify your login credentials. The primary reason for authentication failure on Roblox is incorrect login credentials. So, begin your troubleshooting process by checking your login credentials. Make sure that you are using the correct credentials, that is username and password, to access your Roblox account. Additionally, double-check that your account has the necessary permissions to perform the desired actions within Roblox. Solution 2. Check the Roblox server. Server-side disruptions or interruptions can also hinder you from logging into your account, popping Roblox error code 403 message. To be sure of this case, it is better to have a quick check on the Roblox server. For this, you can visit this website and check for any maintenance or downtime issues. If currently undergoing any problem, it is suggested to wait for a while until the problem is resolved by the end of the Roblox team. Solution 3. Reboot your Android phone. For this, press and hold the power button on your Android device. Then, on the menu, select Restart. Wait until your device restarts and try logging into your Roblox account. Solution 4. Clear the cache data on Roblox. Follow the steps here. Go to the settings on Android and head to the apps. Locate Roblox on the list and select it. Choose the storage usage option. Now, click on the Clear Cache, Clear Data options. Solution 5. Disable VPN on your phone. Here are the steps to do so. Open Settings on your phone. And select Network and Internet. Navigate to the VPN option and select it. Click on the Connected VPN. And select the Disconnect option. Solution 6. Reset network settings on your phone. Launch Settings. And head to the Additional Settings. Scroll down to the Backup and Reset option. Click on the Reset Phone. And Reset Network Settings. Enter your phone password to confirm resetting. Solution 7. Reinstall the Roblox application. For this, perform the following steps. Go to the Roblox app icon on the home screen. Hold the app. And select the App Info option. Now, click on the Uninstall option and confirm the same. When uninstalled, visit the Play Store and install the latest version of Roblox. Android Repair Tool. If your Android device is troubled with unknown errors and issues, consider using the Android Repair Tool. This software can solve Android system errors and issues, like the blue/black screen, phone being stuck in a boot loop, update failure issues, and many more. So, if you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. I hope these solutions will help you in fixing blurry screen on Android phone. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.